Hey, everyone, I'm giving away free lures. Here's one of them. Stay tuned. All right, let's get started. Well, kind of got it started already. Got a number 4 Colorado blade on a barrel swivel here. We got about, I'd say 11 inches of wire, probably around 038. It's a little bit thicker. I got size 3/0 spinner hook, painted 3/8 ounce bass casting sinker, a skirt, the roto blade, and the rivet for the bearing. All right, let's get going. So, first thing we're going to do is attach the hook, and I'm just going to do a bend down. That's where the hook will go. Oops, sorry. Let's get that up here. All right. See, to attach the hook, we're just going to clamp it right there, and we're going to start bending around it. Oop. Sorry, there we go. Here, Gulliver. What's up, buddy? You know I'm making a lure. You know what Daddy's going to say when you get over here, that you have to get down. But you're going to come over anyway. Neat stuff, huh? No, you don't have to rub your face on it. All right, dude, hold on. Come on, gotta get down. Come on. Go. Come on, go down. All right, so we're back. I'm going to cut this off now. I'll leave just a little bit up for a keeper in case whoever gets this wants to add a trailer. And let's get a little bit lower there. That's where I'm at. All right, so that's the start. Right here, we're going to slide the skirt on. The skirt is going to go with a long section forward. That will make it more billowy. We've determined that's a word that's either been made up on me or existed already, but we're going to use it. So we're just going to go right up the back side of the skirt. Let's go ahead and get it situated there. And we'll just slide right down. Kind of sort it out here. There. It's a start. Now we just slide the sinker on. The rivet. And then the roto blade. Boom. Yeah. Out. All right. So now we got to come out about right. Let's say about. Let's get this bent back in shape a little bit there. About right here. We're gonna make a round loop. And we need to make that round loop going in the same plane as the hook. So I'm going to bend down, over, and you've seen me do this many times. And then we switch that around. And I'm going to use my finger like this and just push. That's where we're at now. Now, just gotta hold this. And I'm gonna just do, really, I could get by with one loop, but I'm gonna go 1.5. So there's the full loop and a half. Now, make sure everything's in line, and look, it's not easy enough. Just twist it there. That's pretty good. You can see that. Now we need to bend this back so it goes back over the body. And with this size 4 spinning, you know, they kind of go like this instead of a tight wobble. We're going to go up a little bit higher than I normally would. Or actually what we'll do is we're going to bend it right here. Alright, let's straighten this out. So here's what we got so far. Okay, it's kind of like a buzzbait form, but we're going to put that right about here. So I need to bend this wire down and around. And I'm really cranking on it right now to make that under loop. Okay, now we can just go ahead and slide this on there now. Let's see, sorry. You have to forgive me, my eyesight's not what it used to be. All right, so there we have what we got so far. Let's get a little bit closer look. Only thing left is I got to turn that tag in so it is flush there. So we're gonna take our handy dandy wire clippers. Make sure I don't go that way. Just so bring it down just a hair. There we go. And all right, again, this one's going out for the lure contest. It is October, Jiminy Christmas. August 2021. I've got a lure giveaway going on that ends tomorrow night on August 9th at 11:59 Eastern Standard Time. And this is going to be included in that giveaway. This is for my subscribers, so I'll link in the end notes so you can subscribe and everything and go to the video that enters you. But yeah, hopefully I'll hear back from my winner and they're going to tell me all the cool fish they caught on this thing. All right, so that's it for the build. Ooh, these are going to be hot. I got habaneros and scorpions growing and starting to get ripe. But what also is hot is it's the weather. We're in the dog days of August, but don't let that stop you from going to that video of mine where you can enter, get a free lure. Thanks everyone for subscribing. We've gained a bunch of subscribers this month and I really do appreciate it. Again, here's the part where I say, if you like videos like this, please hit like, subscribe, hit that little bell for notifications. Thanks a ton and tight lines.